students. Welcome to Ajitaha IAS Academy. In this video, we will discuss about the India's exports which are in the news recently as a part of our economy current affairs section. India has recorded historic and highest ever merchandise export figures for the December month, according to the Minister of Central Government India, Sir Shri Piyush Goyal, and according to the news mentioned in the PIB, that is, India's exports have reached 37.29 US billion dollars in December 2021. However, imports also subject to 59.27 USD billion US dollars, and there was a trade deficit of 21.99. If you see, there was a trend of increasing trading deficit in the December month at least. Okay, this question might not be asked directly. However, in prelims, they might ask you about the trends. They don't ask you about the monthly wise. However, we need to understand that over a period of 9 months, that is April till December. Okay, the calculations were given, the estimates and statistics were given over a period of 9 months in the news. So we can say there was an increasing trend of the uh, growing deficit. Okay, so if there are any kind of a questions in the UPSC prelims, remember these points until December, and then we will again check what is the data which is going to be given in the economic survey, and also at May or April we will get news, so that we can once we can have a trend going on across the current affairs and the direction that the central government is focusing, we can guess on questions given in the prelims. Okay, remember this point, the trade deficit is going so far. We will focus again in March and April, and we will come to a conclusion which might be asked in the questions in prelims. Okay, now let us focus on another aspect. For the 9 months period, that is, the trade deficit is 143.97 percentage. However, it is not going consistently. In the December 2020, it has been shrunk down to 60%, which was higher in the 2019 before the pre-pandemic levels, and again it rose in the 2021. So you have to come to a conclusion what is happening. So the trend is not consistent, it is going up and down. Okay, keep this in point. We will again check in the March, and we will come to a conclusion. For example, and now we will discuss more about this. The historic and highest ever merchandise has been recorded in the December, that is 37.29 billion US dollars, which was more than 37% uh, if we compare with December 2020, that is year on year. Okay, and this is data according to commerce and industry data. What are the highest commodities? Because this might be asked in the prelims questions. What are the highest export commodities? The first thing is engineering, petroleum products, gems and jewelry, organic and inorganic chemicals, not organic vegetables or agriculture. Okay, you can't find any kind of an agricultural good in this top five. Drugs and pharmaceuticals, and sixth is electronic goods. And among the top 10, we have rice at the 10th place. But there are no agricultural commodities in the top, at least top five. Okay. And what are the exporting countries? We are exporting at the highest rate to China, USA, and then UAE, and then the China. It is no Saudi, there is no Iran. Okay. And this is the thing which you need to remember with respect to exports. This is enough. And coming to imports, the imports are at almost 60 billion US dollars, and the deficit is almost 21.99, that is 22 US billion dollars, which is highest ever, and which is also growing, growing. Okay, when compared to December 2020, it was 16 billion US dollars in December 2020, and December 2021 it is 22 billion US dollars, which is growing, and we need to remember this. And what are the goods that were importing at higher rate? We can guess petroleum, crude and products, and electronic goods, and gold, and machinery, electrical and non-electrical. And though we are exporting gems and jewelry, we are also importing pearls and precious stones And another important aspect is vegetable oil, which is at the top 10 import commodity. And we will make special videos about specific videos with respect to oils and all. So there might be a question problems. So the countries which are importing at high is anyways definitely China because of electronic goods and machinery, electrical, non-electrical, these things, and precious and pearls, these things. So these three aspects, China is importing at a higher rate, and then USA because of the electronic goods, and UAE and Iraq, you can guess it, petroleum, crude and products, and gold also. So this is the point we need to remember. And the exports and imports both include merchandise and services industry. And coming to services industry, it is 179 billion US dollars in the first 9 months, and it is on the track to achieve 230 billion US dollars. Billion US dollars in the financial year, that is 2021 to March 2022. And let us come to the statistics given by the government in the PIB website and other newspapers articles. So 1923 years they have given, and don't focus much on this because we don't anyway remember. However, there have been an increase. This is the highest ever record. This is the point, and the exports in billions are. You need to remember this one. In the last 9 months, that is over a period of 9 months from April to December, the exports in 2020 238.27 billion US dollars, and the financial 2021 20 financial year 20 means 2019 to 2020. This means okay, 21 means 2020 to 2021, and 22 means 2021 till 2022. That is the current running. It is the highest. However, it is not increasing at a consistent rate. It was at a high level in 2019-20, and it rose down, closed. It was reduced because COVID-19. This might be a very good question in the prelims examination. They can check your understanding and the level of understanding in the prelims. And it again went up in the 9 months period. And this we have already discussed. And we will discuss more about the overall government's agenda in the next coming video. Don't miss it. Thank you so much.